Hi, welcome to English 101. This video is to walk you through how we'll be using Blackboard. So to start, when you click on and open your English 101 page, you will be greeted with this home screen. Any announcements will be found here. As you can see, there aren't any yet. As well as there is a course menu on the left-hand side. Under the welcome page, the next tab is the syllabus. So if you click on that tab, you will find a web link for our syllabus, as well as an English 101 frequently asked question sheet. When we click on the syllabus link, it opens you up to a Google document. Your version will be view only. We're not going to go through this entire syllabus during the video, but it is required that you read this thoroughly before the start of class. This English 101 fact sheet is another helpful tool for you. You should read this before the start of the course, as well as continue to come back to it throughout. If you click on this outline button, you can see and just jump quickly to certain questions. Right now there are 16 questions, but if throughout the course there are more frequently asked questions, I will add on to this document. There are a lot of good readings in this document, as well as hyperlinks to other resources. So next, there is the announcement tab. As I said before, there aren't any right now, but you will find all announcements posted under this link. Lessons, if you click on this tab, this is where you'll be uploading and submitting your essays, as well as you will find the Google document for the week located under each corresponding folder. So for example, our first section, the narrative section, if you click on this folder, you will see our first week Google document, and you will also see where you upload your narrative essay as a Word document. So with this Google document, it is broken up into each day following the pace of the syllabus. So you have some flexibility as far as working at your own pace. However, you do need to be submitting on the days that assignments are due. So you can see in week 1 there's something due on Monday, Tuesday, as well as Friday and Sunday. So you need to be posting on each of those days. If you decide to open the document and work from Monday to Wednesday and post everything on Monday, you will be missing those deadlines and posts on Tuesday, and so then you will be recorded as absent. If you miss 4 deadlines or 4 posts, as you see in the syllabus, you'll receive a failing grade. So make sure that you are posting on those required days. Next up, when it comes time for us to be uploading our essays, you will click on the link in the corresponding folder. It tells you exactly when it is due and that it needs to be as a Microsoft Word document. You won't receive a point or grade for your essay, but you will receive instructor feedback. You simply click Browse My Computer and upload your essay as a Word document. You can add any comments if you feel you must, and then click Submit. Be sure that you're clicking Submit. If you click Save Draft, I cannot see it, and you will not meet the deadline. So there are just a few more things I want to cover. You'll be required to do 6 journal entries. This journal and the topics, so your journal entries will be, and the directions for them will be found in our weekly Google Doc. This is private to you and the instructor, so only I can see it. They'll be between 350 and 700 words. You'll simply click Create Journal Entry and then label it Journal 1. You can see the word count right there, and then click Post Entry. Again, if you're still working through it and you aren't ready to post it yet, then you can click Save as Draft, but when you are done, be sure to post that entry. So you will do 6 journals and you will also do 6 writing exercises. So on the left-hand tab you can see journal, then we have some discussion forums which we'll cover after this, and then writing exercises. So when you click on exercises, you can see exercise 1 through 6. Just like the essays, you simply click on it and upload it when you are ready to submit. Lastly, our discussion boards. So we have several forums that we'll be using, the first of which is an introduction forum. In the description, it tells you all of your instructions, and when you click on it, you can see that I've already posted an introduction. You simply create a thread, write your first and last name, intro, and then follow the instructions and click submit. So I'll show you mine as an example. So you can click on Professor Lulo introduction. Here is my introduction. If you want to reply to your peers because they've said something interesting, or for example, I've uploaded a picture of my cat and you want to comment on that, you just simply hit reply. We'll also be using that reply button for when we do peer reviews. So this will be our peer review discussion forum for the narrative. There are instructions, but again, you would just click in this forum, you would click create thread, you would do your last name, first name, then narrative, and then you would upload it as a Google document, or I'm sorry, a Microsoft Word. So you can see this is an example. I've included more instructions in here. So if you are responsible for, say, peer reviewing Professor Lulo's draft, you would download the Word document, you would read through it, you would complete your peer response letter, and then you would upload your peer response letter by clicking reply. You could say like, hi, I enjoyed reading your work, here's my peer response letter. You would browse your computer, upload it as a Word document, and then hit submit. Again, making sure that you're hitting submit. So there should only be 16 threads, not 32 in that discussion forum. Everybody will upload their paper and then there will be one reply to that paper. Alright, so that is it. I look forward to meeting you all in the introduction forum and throughout the course. Enjoy the rest of your summer.